video, we discussed distance and displacement, and we also explored the concept of scalar and vector quantities. Similarly, in this video, we'll be looking at two other quantities, speed and velocity. We all know what speed is, as we discussed in one of the previous videos. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend you go back and watch the video as it explains speed in detail. Moving ahead, we derived the formula for speed in the last video. What is it? It is speed equals distance divided by time. Equals d by t. T is distance, t is time. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance. When we say rate of change of some quantity, it basically means that the quantity is divided by time. Now, let us put down all the information we know about speed. We know that the formula speed equals distance divided by time, that's already here. And the units is meters per second. This is because the units of distance is meters, units of time is seconds. So put together it's distance divided by meters by seconds. A quick recap. Scalar quantity is any quantity that only measures the magnitude, while vector quantities are quantities that measure the magnitude and give you the direction. Now, what is a magnitude? Magnitude is the actual physical measure of the quantity, and direction tells us the direction in the physical quantity is acting in a three-dimensional space. Magnitude is your basic value, your length, or what's the speed, while the direction is not a magnitude. Direction is separate, it tells you which way in the three-dimensional space. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. So CALAR, scalar, vector. Speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Speed only gives us a value 2 meters per second or 3 meters per second or anything, but velocity tells us the direction too. For example, velocity can be 2 meters per second north, 2 meters per second south. It gives you the direction along with it. That's why it's velocity. That's why it's a vector quantity. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down your thoughts about the video.